Turn the nozzle left and right with the entire arm.
Stand on the feet with the hose of a vacuum cleaner in your right hand. Place the nozzle on the floor in front of you. Try to direct the nozzle to the left as if you are to clean the floor on your left side and return to the original position. The nozzle does not slide very much on the floor, but it just changes the direction to the left and the center. Do this a few times. Pay attention to which joints of the right arm participate in the movement. Now try to turn the palm of the right hand inward and then return slowly. That means the thumb turns closer to the floor and the small finger turns closer to the ceiling. The elbow does not move up and down, nor left and right. It stays in the same position in the air. Do this a few times. Pay attention. Is this your natural way of turning the nozzle? Your wrist may tend to overwork if this is the way you usually do. The movement mostly is happening in the wrist, the forearm, and the elbow now. Rest a moment. Do the same movement and slowly add another movement. When you turn the palm inward, lift the elbow a little bit away from the floor. And, of course, when the palm returns, lower the elbow closer to the floor. The entire movement needs to be done slowly. Slowly. Pay attention if the wrist and the elbow work in coordination. Rest a moment. Do the same movement and slowly add yet another movement. When you turn the palm inward and the elbow lifted, turn the upper arm inward. And as you turn the palm outward and the elbow lowered, turn the upper arm outward. Turn the in the order and return them in the reverse order. Do this many times. Turn the palm inward and let the elbow follow, and then, let the upper arm follow. Turn the palm outward and let the elbow and then the upper arm follow. Let's do it in the order of the size of the muscles now. Turn the upper arm inward, then lift the elbow and then turn the palm inward to turn the nozzle to the left. Turn the upper arm outward, then lower the elbow, then turn palm the outward. Do this, see if this is less tiring. Now you are using the biggest muscles first. Leave it and just direct the nozzle left and right freely. Feel how easy it is now. Put down the hose on the floor and rest in standing. We are about to learn the same movement with the other side, without holding the hose, quickly. Please do the movement in your imagination without actually doing it. Imagine to turn the upper left arm inward, then lift the elbow and then turn the palm inward to turn the imaginary nozzle to the right. Then imagine to turn the upper arm outward, then lower the elbow, then turn palm the outward. Think of this movement many times. And now, do this actually. Pick up the hose and do it with the left hand to turn the nozzle to the right. Leave it and just direct the nozzle left and right freely. and gradually turn the nozzle more and more. How do you use your entire body to help this movement? Use your creativity. Change over the hands. Do the same thing with the right hand again. Turn more using your entire body. Thank you.